you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for the upcoming videos. Guess what? In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can reuse your old clothes into something trendy. Wearing the same dress, same t-shirt, always I need some new clothes. But we can reuse our old t-shirt, our old dress into something trendy. So I'll be showing you guys how you can DIY your old t-shirt into a co-dress which will turn out something trendy and something new. So let's begin. So to DIY a t-shirt, you need some materials. You need a scissor which is sharp enough to cut a cloth. You need a very old t-shirt of yours. It should be a little long, not a crop one, because we are going to cut it into two pieces because I'm going to make a co-dress. You can steal it from your brother's closet or from your daddy's closet too. You need a skirt of your size, not a long skirt which is of a mid-length. You can use it. And then let's begin the DIY. So what you need to do is place the t-shirt flat in a surface and then place the skirt on the t-shirt like this. Leave a one finger gap in the bottom. You can even mark with a chalk, or if you are confident enough you can directly cut the t-shirt. So I'm gonna cut it directly. After cutting is done, this is what the t-shirt looks like. We got a crop top, a cute crop top, and we have a skirt. So I'll be showing you how you can style this coat dress which we made from an old t-shirt. Let's see how we can style this t-shirt. Not the t-shirt now, we won't call it as a t-shirt, we call it as a coat dress. So let's see how we can style this. This is what it looks like after you're done with the cutting. We have a mini skirt and a cute crop top. This top already had a neckline, cute neckline which is like V-neck. To complete the look, I've put a belt which has a silver buckle on it. I've worn a lace bralette. I can wear it wherever I want to, like in a day out with my friends. It gives you a complete sporty vibe. If you like my video, do let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to share with your friends and families too, and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for the next video. Keep supporting me.